Apple is gearing up to launch its upcoming lineup, and according to new reports, there are rumors that Apple is planning to increase the price of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Apple's Wonderlust event is scheduled for September 12th. It is expected that the Pro models in the iPhone 15 series will be more expensive compared to their predecessors due to the titanium build and improved camera hardware. On the other hand, it is said that the standard iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will have price tags as their previous versions. Analyst Luke Lin from Digitimes suggests that there will be a price increase for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max models, which could potentially compensate for rumored hardware upgrades like a titanium chassis upgrade of stainless steel and a Periscope camera system on the 15 Pro Max that allows up to 5 to 6 at optical zoom. Additionally, analyst Jeff Pugh also predicts a price hike for the Pro Max variant. If this happens, it would make it one of the costliest iPhones ever released by Apple. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is currently the costliest model among all iPhones in the market. Several factors, including economy, persistent inflation, and a shift in consumer spending towards outdoor activities, are anticipated to result in a slowdown of smartphone sales in the latter half of 2023 compared to previous years. However, according to the report, the holiday season and promotional campaigns are expected to boost smartphone shipments in the quarter of this year. Last year, Apple introduced the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max at prices of $999 and $1,099 respectively. While there is no information about what this price may increase to, an earlier report suggests that the starting price for the iPhone 15 Pro could be $100 higher than its predecessor at $1,099. Conversely, it is speculated that the starting price for the iPhone 15 Pro Max might be $200 more than that of its predecessor at $1,299. On another note, there is news for India as Apple plans to launch its model iPhone 15 simultaneously with its global release. Manufacturing will take place at Foxconn's facility in Chennai as part of an effort to minimize any delay between global launches. This represents an advancement compared to the year when it typically took around a month for iPhones manufactured in India to become available in the market following their global release. With the festive season approaching, Apple is gearing up to cater to the increased demand in India. Apple has played a role in boosting mobile phone exports from India. This year, preparations for production of the iPhone 15 are well underway. Any potential delays would be minimal. Initially, these iPhones manufactured in India will be primarily available for the market, with plans to expand exports to Europe and the US starting from December. So, what do you guys think about this new hike in pricing? What are your thoughts on purchasing this year's expensive iPhone? Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section, and I'll catch you all in my next update. See you in the next one. Peace out.